Because the thing is to it coming like the fans them. Nowadays it coming like a them I dictate the music where them want to hear because that's why I say the whole away. The fans them for choose say them want to hear the good music, the music with substance.
Yeah.
But nowadays them don't want to hear that. So an artist now where that is him lively. Is it me? I now say that word there.
You see, as Jamaica, I'm tired of brother.
An artist where that is him lively
wages,
income.
Make it income, yeah.
Is him wages. I saw him take care of him family. If him not sing where the public want, the fans them, him not get no show.
Nah, sure, yeah.
Him not get no dub plate. Yeah. Him not get no this. Him not get no that. So that in return forces the artist to sing what him don't want to sing.
That is true.
Because why? You have to take care of your family no matter what. My family have to take me off. My kids them have to eat.
True.
My kids them have to get clothes. My kids them have to go to school. My kids them have to pay for school. You have to do all type of things.
True.
An artist have to do what him have to do. And then you see them clamp down for artists and say, yo, them a do this and them a do that. And artists a make this happen. So I want to movie them too.
All right, you see that now? I don't think the movie is going to be that effective. You want to know why?
Why? All right.
You want to know why?
What is your favorite movie?
Scarface.
Me see an artist say it.
What?
Me see an artist say it.
Mm-hmm.
Them ask him what his favorite movie is. I'm say Scarface. Why?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
For the cinematography.
No, it's not for the cinematography. It's because of the gangster thing and the gunshot them and the killing and Scarface. I get so much shot and he come like a coke alone and come out time because you
a bullet can't kill me.
You think you can kill me? Oh, motherfuckers. All right. Why everybody say a Scarface?
Look,
our Shatters are one of them favorite movies.
Reason why, look, I'm telling you why it's not the same thing as music. See, music and movie, it can't be the same thing. You wanna know why? Mm-hmm. Because movie is like an hour and a half long.
Yeah.
How many times you gonna watch an hour and a half long movie repeatedly? Ever so often. You probably watch it once every 3 months if it's your favorite movie. Like, me consume Scarface movie.
Yeah, but
watch Scarface about 3 times out of the year. Zin? But you see a music, movies. No, but you see a music, you see a song now. You listen to that. You can listen to that 100 times in a one day. And it's going to easy for your subconscious to lock on that 3 minutes there versus the hour and a half.
All right, so I'm moving now.
So that's why movies is not as influential as music.
No, man, I'm moving now. All right, a visual.
Visual, yeah. It shows you.
Can show you how to use a gun.
Uh-huh.
A visual can show you how to point the gun. A visual can show you how to squeeze the trigger.
True.
A visual can show you how to set up a crime, to do a crime.
True.
A visual can show you every fucking thing.
That is true.
You see me? Versus an audio, we say, yo, dope him with my 9 and rail. Yeah. It's not showing anything.
That is true. But
the movie show you.
But that's...
the movie show you how to use your gun, how to point your gun, how to do whatever, how to kill people. And when you look at the movie, them and say, yo, you see one want to kill the boy?
Yeah.
I mean, do that too, you know?
I mean, you're
them style there, you know?
I mean, you're right. The movies do show you. But all right then. I'm not
they just scan over the thing. They just a scan over, Ray and them gone in or something else.
Yeah. Okay, so all right, I understand that. And movies are influential. Bro, as long as you can see and hear it, you're going to be inspired, whether you like it or not. It's going to be lodged in your psyche. I'm going to tell you how I know that. When I just come to America, I remember the Soulja Boy song, but that shit played every fucking day, and I personally despise that song. Yeah.
Soulja Boy,
watch me roll. You listen to the song.
Superman, there you.
And I'm like, I don't never want to listen. This is just bullshit. But you hear cars driving past. You hear it every day. You hear it in commercials. You hear it as a soundtrack in a movie. Eventually, you're going to find yourself, it's just not that bad. All right, Soulja Boy, but at the club, I'm a stay so. I'll know I'm a stay so. You see me as big man.
Okay, so
And even me never like it, but repeatedly. And that's why it's called programming.
All right, so
the consistency of this going back like over and over and over, you don't have no choice.
So let me tell you something now.
Mm.
So a song over and over again I'm programming, right? But then me ask you about a movie we do from 19 or long.
Yeah.
And you can say, this are my favorite movie. So what that do? That hour
No, we're not discredit the movie.
What me just say.
That's the movie worse than the music.
That hour ad movie lodge in your brain for so much years where you can even come back and sell some things out of the movie.
Word.
Which one you think the more effective?
I still think the music.
But if you watch this movie 3 times a year, but you listen this song every friggin' day for 365.
Bro, if I listen to that,
you can remember things out of this movie from 3
why?
times.
Because it's not only audio, it's visuals as well. So therefore, the memory bank I got store and it's gonna be more clearer.
Okay.
But what I'm saying to you, look now, man. Even in a blood class psyops, bro, CIA and FBI, bro, they use audio and brainwash people and them thing there, you know. And you see, repetitive. Is if you're repetitive, you're going to get brainwashed. If you think you're
audio, you're
going to, bro.
You didn't know saying in a Hitler days, audio them use.
Yeah, right? Propaganda. Yeah, audio.
Hitler use him change the frequency of the music.
You see what I'm saying? No,
him change the frequency of the music forget the people them ignorant.
Okay.
Another frequency that we are listening to this day.
Right now.
Bob Marley is in the right frequency.
And why you think them get to that Bob Marley?
When you listen to Bob Marley music,
it's a conspiracy theory.
It calms you.
True.
But when you listen the frequency nowadays, if you play a Bob Marley song, they switch to the frequency nowadays, your bro gonna knit up so. Cause you start get ignorant. Yeah. It start make you ignorant.
Yeah.
I mean know about this.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
That's good, man. I like say you know about frequency, bro. You know a certain frequency can bend steel. I ask you, listen.
People don't know about them things.
I'm telling you something. You have frequency where can open your car door, make your car shake like a blood clot leaf in a winter.
People don't know them things.
They don't know that. If it's loud enough, frequency will destroy any fucking thing. Man. If you don't know about frequency. Frequency, if you just feel goosebumps per your blood clot skin, what think cause that? What think cause that? Frequency can use for bring down your cholesterol levels and them something there. People don't know that.
You know them thing, yeah.
Of course, man.
Okay.
That's what I say about G. So we know the powers of music. I will know how destructive it can be as well. But that's why me say, come I love music. Yeah, I'm an artist. I consider you a virgin. I would never, even if me wasn't virgin, I would never consider the art 100% blame upon the artist.
True.
But I'm saying they have a part to play. That's it. When I say them are the worst and them are the this and that, they have a part to play.
Have a part to play, yes.
Yeah. You see me? That's it.
We are talking, me never dare go say this on the podcast.
You don't have to say it if you don't want to say it.
But me the forward out and say, yo, no gun song and no this and that. But here we go on, brother.
Talk to me.
Life is a balance, brother. Life is a balance.
It is.
As me tell everybody, if you look on the damn battery, it's a negative and it's a positive. Work.
True.
So you can't have it work hand in hand. You see me? It work hand in hand. So enough people, people for dead and people for live. Straight.
True.
If you check all the Bible.
Yeah.
David, they are killed for God.
I know, but and not only can say I'm wrong.
Yo.
That is real.
David,
that's
they
in
are
the Bible.
killed for God because people evil.
But you see, think about it, bro. People think that God is this nice and kind thing, bro. God has repercussion. God is strict.
Of course.
And when you come with strict, it come with harsh punishment. It come with repercussion. People think God is this nice, lovey-dovey, forgiving ball of... No, brother. We think the earth did flood and all I want to get murder. Dog, see same creation gone to spoils.
All right. I mean, say, rare. No more guns, and me not do this, and me not do that again.
Now, compare the dog to God, but, you know, for some of them, you're going to say, hey, I compare him to God.
No, but here we know. is a thing called life, and is a thing called you have a period where you go through certain feelings in a life. And at that time, I say, yo, I'm tired for seeing my brother them are dead and be a killing or go on and all of these things. But it's necessary, yo. Some people feel leave off of the earth.
I agree.
Some people feel leave off of the earth. And I say if you walk and kill people, but people, you have some people who are demons. Bro.
Yeah, I agree.
Who are the devil itself.
We just talked about it 20 minutes ago. Leo, the Bradshaw, and the three you them. Those people need to leave Earth. You understand what I say? And we're not gonna say we're gonna take it up and I say we're gonna purge and you forgot purge. No, what does I say? You have good and bad, and if the earth was void of all the bad and all the negativity, would have all be in a more positive place. That's all I say.
But that will never happen.
Yeah, no.
So here we go, and that's why the negative and the positive come in.
Yeah. And really and truly, negative and positive, subjective, we preach. Exactly. Your interpretation of good and bad, it might not be the circumstances when you go through might not make me look on good and bad like you look on good and bad.
Every man burden is
your good might inconvenient me. Your good might as I'm say it all subjective. Your good might inconvenient me. Your good might be you looking out for your survival while robbing from me. That might be your good. Is a lion bad for eating the fucking gazelle? No. The lion is trying to survive. No, we look at it and say, no, I don't like that. The fucking lion, you're bad, bro. You're evil because you ate the gazelle. This nigga trying to live.
And the next thing too, when we realize, all right, this is when me say what me say. Mm-hmm. It's like, me not see nobody rally around it. So me I say, so that means the world have more.
No artists are yes. Because really and truly, I say the bloggers and I say the newspaper them pick it up.
Yeah, but
because I myself tag you and I'm like, bro, this is a big move.
Exactly, but nobody else has
in the fraternity.
In the fraternity, so
nobody.
Rare.
Yeah.
And you look on all the comments them, right? And you will see the same person under your page and say, yeah man, Marco, rare. But when you go up on another artist thing where I say, yo, bullet them, rare, you see the same people them. I put fire.
Yeah, man. It's bad. Yeah, man.
I put fire, the baddest thing. So what that leave me if you say?
So basically you saying you're not going to do no more gun song, you kind of limit yourself. When these people really know so them want the blood and the grime.
Them want hear.
Me know that for a fact. I'm not like you. More time them I say, I'm gonna like them blood clot gun singer. But catch me in my car on a blood clot 3-hour drive.
Yeah, me not like the
when
gun
bad
song.
man grab the gun, them grab it.
Right.
Bad man lock it and load and slam it. I mean I just stay so.
Me not like the gun song, but what?
Yeah.
It give the people them the vibe.
And I think where these people go wrong with the gun song them is that them feel like say the artist them really live out them life, yeah.
No, brother.
I say majority of them are. Of course, we know some of them are.
Some of them new.
Some of them are.
Some of them new youth are gunman.
Yeah, some of them new. Some of them youth are clotted for real.
Them new youth are them a fire gun. Man, I'm afraid of no.
No, but it's it. But for a big man level, like bro, for a big man level, if we Demarco stays a boom, yo, Mara, man, I bust Mara. That's just the art.
Music for a level, dog.
I really tell them dude, bro. Let's see, Josh. The last thing we hear about Josh, the man them shut up Josh car. I'm glad to say, the dog them just get shot and them alright, and rare, but who lose them life in a little fucker. R.I.P.
Josh, I'm an artist, man.
Yeah,
big up
wicked
Josh.
Artist, man. We see all the color we want to do together. Yeah, wicked tune. But what I say, bro, some of my things real, but don't look on all like artists like all of the artists that man live these things.
Dog, the man them take music too serious. We have to stop that.
What make I say that?
We not take music too serious, brother. Yo, a man goes a bam and go on him laptop and goes a bam. I'm program to beat right now. I wanna go sing on the beat them. And then when I sing against one another and then want to take it physical. For what? Stop the fuck, yeah, man.
Yeah.
We don't stop the foolishness.
I agree. If you want to do it music, just
stop
do
the
it
foolishness.
Music.
If you don't want to compete with music, yo, do that. But when you want to take it to a physical level, no, sir. That's a foolishness. That's a foolishness. You can't say you want to be a musician and you want to be a gunman or a bad man. No, that
in
don't work.
In a work.
Because you have to perform.
Right?
You have to perform.
Have to perform. And somebody knows somebody. That security might be somebody. Cause pretty levels. I see anything a Boosie say.
Fans, may I tell Uno.
Yeah.
Stop the fuckery. Don't feel so none of them artists are a gunman and real bad man because them have to perform. And if them a real gunman, them is mad. Because, you have to go up on a stage. So Uno don't believe in that shit. Stop that shit. And music we do, because we do music for entertain Uno. You understand? And Uno not to take it literal and put it down the brain and say Uno want to go shoot and kill people. It's entertainment, just like how you have movies. Yeah, you understand?
It is. It's all entertainment.
It's entertainment.
It's all entertainment.
You see me? So stop the fuckery.
Yeah.
You know, little youths who I feel like say, when Demarco them, when everybody sing about gun thing or your favorite artist, them really are shoot people. No.
Yeah.
Them really they are shoot people, them whether they're prisoner or dead or they in our box.
True.
Right now, they in our box lay down under the ground. Stop
Facts.
the foolishness.
Facts.
You see me? That is it.
That is it.